Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to Outdoor Survival Gear and Preparedness. I get a lot of questions about what items should go into a 72-hour kit. One question in particular is what water filter is best to put into a 72-hour kit. Today, I'm going to answer that question. If you're new to my channel, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. So if you actually do some homework, you're going to find out that there are a lot of water filters out there. The question is which one is the best? And before we start talking about this water filter, if you own a water filter, comment yes in the comments below. If you don't own a water filter, comment no in the comments below. I'm really curious to understand how many of you actually have a water filter. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to review what I believe is the best water filter to go into your 72-hour kit. But as an added bonus, I've actually compiled the list of the top 10 that I recommend. If you look in the description below, you'll find a link where you can download that PDF. So what water filter do I recommend for 72-hour kits? I recommend the Sawyer Water Filter. Let me tell you why. This one in particular is the Sawyer Mini. The reason I like this one for a 72-hour kit is because it's only 2 ounces. And can you guess how many gallons of water this bad boy filters? It filters up to 100,000 gallons of water. Not just that, but it actually comes with a syringe that allows you to clean it back out and reuse it. I'll demonstrate this in just a minute. Eyelash in the eye. Make it stop. Okay. Another cool piece to this is that you can drink directly from the stream. So you can either get really close to it, or it comes with a straw that you can connect to it and drink directly from the stream. It comes with a little pouch that you can fill up water, and then it actually screws on. And then you can drink from it. The screw actually fits on most normal sized water bottles also. This is a small water bottle, but any water bottle that has a good fitting, it'll screw onto. So the idea is that you fill up the water bottle in the stream, then you can take it with you, and you can drink it that way as well. Because it connects so easy to tubes, what you can actually do is you can connect it to your hydro filter. If you have something like a Camelback backpack, you can actually connect it to that tube and drink directly from it. If you want to cut the tube, you can put half of it here and the other half here and still drink out of the other side of the tube. That's pretty cool. It also filters up to 99.9999% of bacteria and 99.999% of protozoa. These both can cause major problems like Giardia and Salmonella. The only thing that it does not filter is chemicals and viruses. Luckily, in the United States, we don't have any of those problems. But if you plan to use this in a grid down situation, that's something you might want to be aware of. If you do find chemicals or viruses in the water, there are extra steps you can take to make sure that water's safe, but the Sawyer Mini water filter will not take care of that. What comes in the pack when you buy this Sawyer water filter? You get the filter, which is a 0.1 micron absolute hollow fiber membrane filter. You get this 16-ounce reusable squeeze pouch, you get the cleaning plunger, and you get this straw. I found this Sawyer water filter to run anywhere from $19 to $26, depending on the sale and the time of the season. I'm going to show you how this works. So I've actually just filled up this water bottle. So I'm going to screw it on here. Pretty tight. Pop the cap, drink away. That's good water. One thing you need to be aware of is if you screw it onto a bottle, sometimes you just have to unscrew it a little bit to get the air back in, but it should work just fine after that. Okay, when using the plunge to clean this, all you have to do is fill it up with water. Now it has to be clean water, or you're gonna be putting dirty water back into it. You need to go opposite of the flow. See how it has a little notch that you put it right on there, just like that? And you hold them both, so you just push it really fast. And when there's water in here, it'll squirt out there. Since I'm inside my house, I'm not gonna do that right now. Again, there are a lot of water filters that work great. In fact, one video that I'm gonna do in the near future is a comparison of the Sawyer Mini with the Life Straw. This is a very popular item that a lot of people have. They've done a really good job of promoting this thing over the last couple years, and it actually works really great. You know what? I'm gonna tell you a secret. Even before my next video, when I compare these two, I'm gonna tell you a few of the differences right now. Difference 1, this one comes with a lanyard. Difference 2, this one takes quite a lot of effort when sucking the water out. Not a crazy amount of effort, just a lot more than the Sawyer. Difference 3, remember how I told you that the Sawyer Mini filtered 100,000 gallons? The Life Straw filters 1,000 gallons. Still great for the price, but nothing in comparison to the Sawyer water filter. Again, there are a lot of water filters out there. The one that I recommend for 72-hour kits is the Sawyer water filter. In particular, the Sawyer Mini water filter. But because I know you're curious and you want to know what the other filters are that I recommend, don't forget to look in the description below where you'll find a downloadable PDF that has my top 10 water filter recommendations. If you've enjoyed this breakdown of the Sawyer water filter, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, I post a new video every single week, so if you haven't already, click on the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you get notified next week when my new video comes out. And don't forget to check in next week when I go over the differences between the Life Straw and the Sawyer water filter. It's gonna be a good one, and you don't want to miss it.